These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
Ooh, I wonder if he put the solar flare one in it then. Because that just happened, right? Oh!
Hold on. Hold on.
Damn, he's lucky. Global warming ain't even real. Am I right? Yo, automaker, thanks for the 1 year.
To visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
The entire video is terrifying, bro. We're all gonna die someday. Oh, but it made a rainbow.
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
The wildest thing I ever tried in my life. Oh shit!
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit
Nature's
with a
scary as
tsunami.
fuck!
Hey,
Oh god, run, bro, just run!
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves. Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
Holy fuck!
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
Dude, I have to pay attention to all the nobody was hurt disclaimers because he's gonna put one without him and be like, oh god.
Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
It took the car! Bro, why is she just standing there? Move! Grandma! Man, she don't give a fuck.
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
Oh! Oh, that was a perfect stop.
In 2014,
Good thing they were
this
paying
volcano
attention.
exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
Imagine seeing some shit like this in person.
Where do we get the move?
I mean, I lived in Kansas and I never
On
saw a
November
tornado
30th,
in person.
2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
I did have a lot of tornado warnings though, where we had to like go hide in the crawl space and shit. Did you go outside though? No.
This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
Oh my god. Some Mordor shit. That's so cool.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy
Yeah,
tornadoes
Miyazaki
earlier
new
this
boss. Yeah. Yeah, Mesmer. Ooh.
Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
Oh.
And they also got to experience what snow lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet.
Nice, Mr. Daly.
Our
Thank you.
street is starting to flood.
He knew what he was doing. Oh,
Imagine
Jesus.
seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
Yeah, actual apocalypse shit. That's insane. Be like, yep, time to go to
Back in
work.
2019, this giant landslide happened in China.
See, ones like this with the disclaimer, it's hard to believe that no one
About
got
12
hurt.
months ago,
'cause-
a super intense
damn.
tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
God. This shit scares me as someone from the Midwest.
This hailstorm in Texas was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home. He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it.
Oh! Go back inside! Go back inside!
About 7 months ago,
Oh,
these people
man.
in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
It's just average day in Kansas. Oh my god! He's surfing!
Here's another rock slide video that happened in China in 2023.
Oh,
Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
oh god! Yeah, dude, it's shit like this, like in Kansas. I remember being so annoyed when I got my house because you're required to pay for tornado insurance, but then I did see we had like a minor tornado incident and shingles got ripped off of people's roofs, and I saw so many people just not bother fixing their house. It's like, okay, I get it now.
About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
So scary. Oh,
This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
oh no, what are they doing, bro? It's not worth it.
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
I'm blocking the... Rip car.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
Yeah, I remember this. It wasn't near me, I just
I
heard
know
about
that
it,
icebergs are
obviously.
bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy.
I was there! No, I wasn't there.
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche. In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland.
Oh,
This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house.
scary.
Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
Yay, the boulder didn't destroy their house!
In
But there were 2
2019,
others!
this
What the
cruise ship
fuck,
near
Mr.
Norway
Daly?
encountered some heavy seas.
What is this storytelling? Oh god.
Get that on video.
Really? Older people go on cruises? On all these cruise clips,
In
it's just
2021,
retired
these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
I would go on a cruise. Didn't Emily go on a cruise? Her family or something?
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Uh-oh. Oh my god! Oh... Actual nightmare scenario.
This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
Oh...
In In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
Man, California. Dude, it's like California, Florida,
A 6.7
Texas.
magnitude earthquake.
Why would you go there? Like, wildfires, and then, hurricanes and sea stuff, or just like the coast in general. And then Kansas, it's like tornadoes just spawn. Like, they actually just fucking spawn. Like, it doesn't matter where you are, it could happen.
Interrupted this couple's wedding.
Not just Kansas, but Tornado Alley. Yeah, also, it's just Kansas. Oh, God.
This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Wait, this happened to my trampoline! This happened to my trampoline when I was a kid!
Oh,
Oh, no.
oh my gosh.
Not the trampoline! No!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dice que es grande, ¿va mucha?
What? What the?
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
Dude,
This is called a
rare
crown
double
flash and
spawn.
was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy.
It's hiding. Wait, what is this?
Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes
Wait,
during
what
a
is that?
snowstorm, you can...
Aliens? Wait, what was that actually?
This is called a crown flash and was spotted in Florida.
What, a crown flash?
Probably the only video in the world like this.
Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
This is called
It's a
a crown
dragon?
flash and was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's
What is
getting
it,
it on
though?
the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy.
It's hiding. But what is it?
Whoa, look at
What
that!
is
The
it
red one,
doing?
you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually
Look it up. Okay. What is a crown flash? A rare meteorological phenomenon that occurs when atmospheric electrical fluctuations cause ice crystals to align, which in turn refracts sunlight to create a glowing streamer of light. Dude, this is like some... this is like some fantasy book shit. The ice crystals aligned to...
lightning.
a streamer of light.
Oh!
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
This could literally be my high school, bro. Like, it's got the... Oh shit, it's ripping... No, not the American flag! Oh no. Yo, David, thanks for the resub.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane.
Oh yeah,
In
America.
2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
Bro, it don't even look real. Like, it don't... This don't even look like a real picture. That's crazy. Yes, it does. Well, I'm just stupid, I guess. Oh! Holy shit.
Mira, mira. No, el que viene de abajo.
What is that?
In 2018, four
Wait, what was
waterspouts
that?
emerged on the coast of Thailand.
That's like the Ford.
A sinkhole in
four
Illinois
lords of
randomly
evil.
opened up earlier this year.
Some anime shit. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god!
They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my god!
This guy was in a
Oh
pool
my
when an
God.
earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year.
Dude, get out of the pool! What the hell are you doing? Whee!
This house in Hawaii
It's a
was
wave
devoured by
pool.
lava back in 2018.
Wait, why don't they make wave pools anymore? Did you guys ever go to like the YMCA and like every hour it'd become a wave pool and they'd have like the waves? Why aren't there? They do? Wait, they do? Wait. Is it actually just I haven't been outside to a pool for fun since I was 14? I need to go to a wave pool! I like wave pools!
This house in Hawaii
Flutterbond
was devoured
stream,
by lava back in
yay!
2018.
understand. The other half of the house is fine, right?
These houses
Cheer
in
up,
Montana
dude.
got buried under some tumbleweeds.
Why is it just the one house? Oh no, it's at the other houses too. God damn. Yep. Look at that thing go.
Oh my god.
What?
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Dude, I just get mad that things like that you just almost never see in real life. Like, God,
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York
Well, I'd have to go outside for there to even be a chance for that to happen, I guess.
mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
They look
In
kind of
June
like gingerbread
2020,
houses.
a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea.
That's Canute's house. Dude, like, this one especially, nobody was hurt? You're telling me nobody was in those houses? I guess maybe they
All the
evacuated,
homes were
but...
empty, so luckily
Oh.
nobody was hurt.
Sure, Mr. Daly, sure.
In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge.
That's nature taking back what's nature's is. What's its, I don't know. Oh God!
In
How are they just
2019,
walking away
a
from that
glacier
so
in Iceland
calmly?
fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Dude, go faster, what?
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as
Oh,
it
no.
means lightning could
Yo,
strike
Paul,
at
thanks
any
for the 5
moment.
gifted. Oh, look, our hair's standing up funny.
In
And then they all
2019 in
get struck.
Amsterdam,
No,
this
that's
tornado
so
was created
bad.
within seconds.
What the Yeah, a tornado.
Ooh. Only one would get hit? That's true. It's like a really crazy game of Russian roulette, right?
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024.
Dude, it's always Kansas, Wyoming for these stupid ass wind states. Oh my god. Put that shit back down. Yep, it's fine.
This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada. That
The
is
guy
this
in the
video.
corner.
Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one. And
That was actually
I'll see
pretty
you guys
interesting.
again very, very soon. Later.
Very fun. 25 missing kids discovered behind secret door. Jesus Christ.